Faribault S.P.O.T.S proudly presents Puberty.
Hi, boys and girls. I'm Mother Nature, and I bring the gift of change. Everybody goes through changes. Like Sarah, hers are unwanted. I mean, who does? Nobody does. Allie's, they're just confusing. And Amber, well, hers are just painful. But Hanan's, hers are both religious and cultural. But for this guy, Donovan, they're just surprising.
What are these? Ew, that's gross.
Sarah, it's not your fault.
Who are you?
I'm Mother Nature.
What are you doing in the laundry room? How so?
Well, you're going through puberty, and that's why your acne's acting up.
I don't want these. Get rid of
I
them.
can't get rid of them, but I can help you with that.
How so?
Well, there's 3 steps. First, you gotta take care of your body. Second, you gotta wash your face. And third, don't pick. I said don't pick. See, for Sarah, they're not wanted. But for Allie, it's confusing.
Ooh, new message from Kayla. Ooh. Okay, let's go in here and see what she said. Okay, there's a dance coming up, but you have to have a date. Date. Who should I date? Ooh, big book. See who I like. There's Kyle. Oh, but he got together with Mandy today at lunch. Never mind, they don't have a window. What's that one kid's name? His name's on this book. Oh yeah, Cameron! But, oh, he's really shy and he's not really my type. Wait, what is my type? Okay. Oh, and then Travis. Oh yeah, he moved away. Now what am I gonna do? Who are you?
I'm Mother Nature.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to help you.
That's what all this stuff is about. The dance, the boys?
The dating? Yes.
So I have to go to this dance with a date.
No, you don't. I did not say that. You don't have to.
That's what the email says.
So that's what the email said, but that's not what you're saying.
So I can go to the dance as a group of friends or with a guy as a friend.
Anyone you like, your girlfriends, anybody. You don't have to go to a dance with a guy. It's not required.
I'm a good dancer now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So as you see, for Allie, they may be confusing, but once you work them out, they're pretty pleasant. But for Amber, they're painful.
Ow, my stomach. My back. My head.
Is that time of the month again?
Who are you?
I'm Mother Nature.
What do you want?
I'm done. I'm here to help.
How?
Well, there's 3 things you have to do.
Like what?
Like, eat a banana. It has potassium in it. You can reduce cramps. Get plenty of sleep.
I already do sleep.
Well, get more. Well, if the cramps don't go away, go see a doctor. Maybe he can prescribe something for you, like a medication.
Okay.
But for now, you see, Amber? Hers are painful. But once you know what you're doing, and you know what to do, they're quite, I don't know how to say this, but they're quite good. But for Hanan, hers are both cultural and religious.
Oh, I'm so excited. This is the first time putting this on. I hope I'm doing it right. I think I am doing it right. I wonder if people will judge me now that I'm wearing this. What are you? And what are you doing in my room?
I overheard you worrying about how you wear your scarf.
I think people won't respect me as much anymore if they see me wearing this.
Did your parents make you wear it?
No, this is all my choice.
Well, then why does it matter what they think? It's only what you think.
Really?
Well, you're the one who wants to wear it. It's your decision, you know. You don't have to care about what other people think. It's all about what you think and how you're looking.
Yeah.
Do you like her?
Yes.
How do you feel about it?
I feel like I'm a woman. I feel pretty. I feel like I'm growing up.
Well, this is a sign of you growing up. You see, for Hanan, hers are both cultural and religious. But when it comes to times like this, they're pretty special. But for Donovan, they're surprising.
Ooh, I think I should take a shower. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Yeah. Who's there?
Mother Nature.
Mother Nature who?
Here to help you. Here's the towel. Are you decent?
Yes.
Good.
Who are you?
I'm Mother Nature.
Why are you here?
I'm here to help you.
Help me with what? Fix it.
Well, you can't fix it.
Why
The
not?
only thing you can do is get plenty of rest, talk slowly, and relax and calm down.
Okay. Thanks, Mother Nature. Ooh.
You got older. Who's a deodorant?
Thanks, Mother Nature.
Thanks, Mother Nature. Thanks, Mother Nature.
Thanks, Mother Nature. Thank you, Mother Nature.
It's my job.
Sing!